Hey guys, Corey with Oak City Customs here. This is our CNC press brake. It's useful for doing complex bends on different types of materials. So the way this machine works is there's a bottom and a top die, and the bottom die is a very specific distance apart based on the type of material you're bending, and the top die comes down and drives the material between the bottom die and creates the bend. And the angle of the bend is controlled by how far down or not down you press the material. So while doing complex bends is more tricky on a traditional press brake, on the CNC press brake it's quite simple. We've already programmed in our part, so this is it at the beginning flat, and then our first bend is a 90-degree bend, and our second bend is a 120-degree bend in the opposite direction. But having the CNC feature really helps you plan out a part and ensure that it's going to be the right size when you're done. And to demonstrate that, we're actually going to go ahead and bend this piece of metal. So as you can see, our part is exactly the same as what we programmed in. If you need any parts custom bent, then reach out to us at Oak City Customs.